Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make dark fantasy Yumfills pie. We'll embark on a delicious journey to create a truly enchanting dessert. This guide will help you craft a pie with a deep, rich chocolate flavor and a wonderfully tender crust. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into an extraordinary treat that's perfect for any special occasion or just a delightful indulgence. We will cover every step, ensuring your pie is a masterpiece. To begin our dark fantasy pie, you will need some key ingredients. For the crust, gather 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of dark cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter. We will also use a pinch of salt and about 4 to 6 tablespoons of ice water. Carefully mix these to form a dough, then chill it for at least 30 minutes to ensure a perfectly flaky texture. This step is crucial for a tender, rich crust. Now, let's create the luscious filling. Gently melt 8 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate, ensuring it's smooth and glossy. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 large egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Slowly incorporate the melted chocolate into this mixture. Pour this decadent filling into your pre-baked or partially baked dark cocoa crust. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, the most important step is patience. Allow your dark fantasy Yumfills pie to cool completely on a wire rack for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight, to set properly. Before serving, you can add a beautiful finishing touch with a light dusting of cocoa powder or some elegant chocolate shavings. This pie is absolutely divine, served with a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream. Enjoy your magnificent creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.